All right, gentlemen, listen up. If you want to learn something from this video, don't drag it and watch it from the beginning to the end. We're about to dive deep into the top 10 tools that'll transform you into the ultimate handyman of 2025. Is your toolbox stuck in the past? As we step into 2025, it's time to upgrade your gear and stay ahead with the tools that matter. We're talking about tools that not only make your life easier, but also make you feel like a total boss in the process. So buckle up, grab your notepads, and get ready to revolutionize your toolkit. First on our list is the cornerstone of any respectable toolbox, the power drill. We're talking about the latest in cordless power drill technology. Imagine a drill that's not just powerful but also intelligent. Smart technology integration, folks. Real-time stats and automatic torque adjustment. Drill straighter, faster, and with more precision. Say goodbye to crooked shelves and wobbly furniture. Next up, we have a tool that's so versatile, it's practically cheating. The multifunctional oscillating tool. Now, I know what you're thinking, Mark. Another multi-tool? Come on, man! But trust me on this one. This isn't your average run-of-the-mill multi-tool. This is the Swiss Army knife of power tools, and it's here to change the game. With a multifunctional oscillating tool, you can say goodbye to a drawer full of single-purpose tools. This baby can handle sanding, cutting, scraping, and a whole lot more, all with a simple change of the attachment. It's like having a whole workshop crammed into one compact device. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a good space saver? Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this tool will quickly become your go-to for a wide range of tasks. Its versatility is unmatched, and its compact size makes it perfect for even the tightest of spaces. Now let's talk about accuracy, my friends. Remember those days of fumbling with clunky tape measures, trying to get that perfect measurement while your buddy holds the other end? Well, say goodbye to those days because the laser measuring tool is here to save the day. This futuristic gadget uses the power of lasers, because everything's cooler with lasers, to give you instant and insanely accurate measurements. We're talking about measuring distances up to hundreds of feet with pinpoint accuracy, all at the push of a button. No more struggling with crooked tape measures or trying to convert fractions in your head. With a laser measuring tool, you'll be measuring like a pro in no time, and your projects will have the precision of a NASA engineer. It's time to ditch the archaic tape measure and step into the future of measurement. Chapter 4. Moving on, we're tackling a common DIY nightmare: finding studs. Hitting that stud can be the difference between a job well done and a catastrophic wall collapse. The Smart Stud Finder is your X-ray vision for walls. Advanced sensors detect studs, pipes, wires, and nails. Pinpoint the exact location of everything hidden within your walls. Hang anything with confidence, avoiding water pipes and wires. Chapter 5. Now, for those of you who like a little more power in their lives, let's talk about the compact circular saw. Don't let the compact part fool you. These little beasts pack a serious punch. They're perfect for those tight spaces where a full-sized circular saw just won't cut it, pun intended. Whether you're trimming door frames, cutting plywood, or tackling smaller woodworking projects, this tool will become your new best friend. And the best part? They're lightweight and easy to maneuver, so you can say goodbye to those awkward arm workouts that come with using a bulky saw. It's like having the power of a full-sized circular saw in a package that's easy to handle and control. Chapter 6. Next up, we have a tool that's all about precision: the digital level. Now, I know some of you old-school folks swear by your trusty bubble levels, and that's cool. But let's be honest, even the steadiest hand can misinterpret a bubble or two. With a digital level, you'll get accurate angle measurements displayed on a clear, easy-to-read screen. No more guessing games or squinting at tiny bubbles. This tool takes all the guesswork out of leveling, giving you the confidence to hang shelves, install cabinets, or build that dream treehouse with perfect alignment. Plus, many digital levels come with built-in lasers, so you can even use them for layout work. It's like having a digital protractor and a laser level all in one. Alright gentlemen, it's time to bring out the big guns, the cordless impact wrench. This is the tool you want by your side when you need to loosen or tighten nuts and bolts with serious force. We're talking about torque so powerful, it'll make your head spin, in a good way of course. Whether you're working on your car, tackling a major construction project, or just need to remove a stubborn bolt that's been stuck for years, the cordless impact wrench is your new best friend. And the best part? No more air compressors or tangled hoses. These cordless beasts run on battery power, giving you the freedom to take on any task, anywhere. It's like having a portable mechanic shop at your fingertips. You'll be amazed at the power and convenience this tool provides. Chapter 8. High-quality hand tools. Set, the backbone of every toolbox. Now, before we get too carried away with all the fancy power tools, let's not forget the backbone of any respectable toolbox, a high-quality set of hand tools. I'm talking about screwdrivers, wrenches, pliers, hammers, the classics. In a world of ever-evolving technology, there's something to be said for the simplicity and reliability of a good old-fashioned hand tool. And trust me, investing in a high-quality set will make all the difference. Not only will they last longer, but they'll also perform better and make those everyday tasks a whole lot easier. So, don't skimp on the basics, my friends. A solid set of hand tools will never let you down. Chapter 9. Portable Workbench. Your on-the-go workshop. For our next tool, let's talk about creating the perfect workspace, no matter where you are. I'm talking about the portable workbench, the ultimate solution for those who like to take their projects on the road or just move them around the garage. No more hunching over in awkward positions or improvising with whatever surface you can find. A portable workbench provides a stable and dedicated space for all your DIY endeavors. Many models even come with built-in clamps, storage compartments, and even power outlets, turning any location into a fully functional workshop. It's like having a mobile command center for your projects. You'll be amazed at how much more efficient and enjoyable your work becomes with a dedicated workspace. Chapter 10. Safety gear. Protect your most valuable tools. Yourself. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about the most important tools in your arsenal. Safety gear. Now, I know what you're thinking, safety gear. That's not very exciting, Mark. And you're right, it's not as flashy as a new power drill or a laser level. But trust me, when it comes to DIY projects, safety should always be your #1 priority. We're talking about protecting your most valuable tools, your eyes, ears, hands, and everything in between. So invest in a good pair of safety glasses, ear protection, work gloves, and even a respirator if you're dealing with dust or fumes. And remember, safety gear is only effective if you use it properly. So make it a habit to gear up before every project, no matter how big or small. Outro. Gearing up for success in 2025 and beyond. So there you have it, gentlemen. The 10 must-have tools to conquer any DIY project 2025 throws your way. Equip yourself with these tools to tackle any project 2025 throws your way. Stay prepared. Stay efficient. Remember, having the right tools is just the first step. The real magic happens when you combine those tools with your creativity, ingenuity, and a healthy dose of "I can do this" attitude. If you found this guide helpful, hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell for more insights on the latest tools and trends. And be sure to share this video with your friends and fellow DIY enthusiasts. Let's spread the knowledge and empower everyone to tackle their own projects with confidence. Check out our other videos for more tool reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.